I have my Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 with me, and a new feature has been added in the watch after the OneUI 5 update, which is the backup and restore feature. And with this feature, you can take the backup of the watch every single day or after few days. And obviously, after you reset your watch, you can definitely restore that. And for this, you also need to do some of the settings. And you can see here my device has been backed up recently, and it is getting backed up every single day as I have set it out on my watch. So if you want to take the backup of the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 properly, and if you want to restore it at a later time, in this video we will be seeing all of those. And definitely this video will be a sick video guys, and if you are a tech enthusiast, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up because I will be making more videos like this. So first thing first, you can see that I have already connected my watch to this Galaxy Wear app, which is the official app for the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. And after the OneUI 5 update, if I go to watch settings, there is an option of accounts and backup. If I click on that, you will see that I will be getting the date and the day where the last backup has been taken. So to take any of the backups, you need to make sure that you have downloaded one app from the Play Store, and that will help you to take the backup. Right now, let's see what are the things that are shown in here. So you can see this is showing me the latest backups and the previous backups also the amount of data that has been backed up, and I can delete these backups as well. So the app you need to download from the Play Store to do these backups is the Smart Switch app. So this app is absolutely necessary to transfer your data and also take backup of your watch. So if you have not downloaded, I will recommend you to go to Play Store and download this app. So once you have downloaded it, it will ask you for some of the permissions, and you need to give that on your phone. It will ask for storage permissions both in your phone and in your watch, and definitely it will take all the backups and everything from your watch to the cloud. And you can see here both the accounts are connected, my Samsung and Google account, and both the accounts are used to take these backups in the cloud. So here you can see, as I have turned on the Smart Switch option and installed the app, the backup will be taken when your watch is connected to your phone, and Smart Switch automatically backs up your watch data and files to your phone periodically. If you uninstall Smart Switch, backups saved on your phone will be deleted. So in order to take the backup properly, you need to install the Smart Switch on your phone, and definitely it will take the backup after you have given the permissions periodically and every single day also if required. So here you can see all the backups also, and if you want to see all your backups, you can see here. And if you have reset your watch, obviously afterwards you can restore them with the one click on your watch. So this is how you can take backups properly on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 4, and this method is working absolutely fine. So if you are planning to reset your watch, all your watch data will be saved and backed up periodically, which is a really great option on the watch. So that's it guys, I just wanted to show you how to take backup in this watch after the OneUI 5 update. I hope you have liked this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up because I will be making more videos like this. Thank you guys. Have a great day. Thank you.